Yo, so very windy today. Very windy today. If that tree goes, that house is history. So we are going here, looking at this tree. I have to be a little careful walking around here because when those branches come down, look, they stab into the ground like this. Look at this. You see that? And there's bigger ones coming. Look at this, what's coming down there. And if you're right underneath, this can be horrible. Look at that. There's one more here. Look at the flag. So 5K 30, like a little for the fish, little test here. I'm recording. I'm editing in 30 frames per second, so I can, if I want to, slow the footage down, and it's half speed, so it's kind of a slow motion thing, but I don't lose any frames. So that's what we're doing here. So get the dog running half speed.